RMIT Chancellor, Onyo Ayo, esteemed faculty and staff, proud family members, most important, class of 25. I stand before you today deeply humbled, incredibly honored to accept this honorary doctorate in business. Thank you, the RMIT team, for this profound recognition. This is not just for me. This award is for every child who their dreams were too big, for every woman whose place was deemed elsewhere, and for anyone who believes they deserve a seat at the table. Let me share with you my little humble story. I was born in a small village of Vietnam, where poverty was our daily life and education for girls was not prioritized. I had a dream of becoming a teacher, but at the age of 12, I was forced to leave school and move to the city. My journey was filled with hardship. I worked as a living baby sitter for just $6 per month, and it would support my family. Pursued informal education and ended up being homeless, living under a staircase. To survive, I cooked and sold sticky rice on the street of Hanoi, and every day managed to sleep 2 hours. But then something amazing happened. I found KOTO social enterprise. At KOTO, I just didn't learn the skills, but I found my dignity, confidence, and most importantly, my voice. For many times, I remember telling KOTO founders, Mr. Jimmy Pham, who is here with me today, that I dream of going to university to become a teacher. And every single time he responded that with the same promise, I will help you and KOTO will help you. It was a promise made and a promise kept. In 2012, via KOTO, I received a scholarship to study in Australia, and later on made it to become a Master of Entrepreneurship and Innovation. Upon returning to Vietnam, I faced another heartbreak of my brother's funeral and learned that my sister was a victim of domestic violence. This became a turning point of my life. I wanted to be the change for my family, for my community, and my country. So in 2018, I founded HopeBox, Vietnam's first social enterprise providing employment and training for women who are victims of domestic violence. A dream born of pain, but fueled by purpose. As an Obama scholar, I had the opportunity to meet the former US President Barack Obama, and I wondered if I deserved to be there. But then I realized I was in that room because of those people who believe in me and who never gave up on me. Today I stand before you as a young girl from Vietnamese village, now a confident woman, a social entrepreneur, and a lifelong learner. I owe my transformation to many people. My family, my mom who is here with me, for their resilience. Thank you, Mom. And Jimmy Pham for being my mentor, my brothers, my rock, and my champion. Australia for the gift of education, and Vietnam for being my roots. And to the class of 2025, congratulations. You worked really hard, and you earned your place here. As you move forward, carry on not just your knowledge, but empathy, courage, and purpose. You don't need to have everything figured out right now. I didn't know. I couldn't do it myself before. But what you do need is to stay curious, compassionate, and committed. Take risks, speak up, and never stop learning. And remember this, you belong in every single room you enter. Make sure you own it. If you ever doubt that, think of those people who believe in you and supported you. I accept this award as a call to action for what is yet to be done, and I will use it honor to advocate louder, lead bolder, and uplift the underserved communities, especially women. This doctorate will not sit on a shelf. It will live in action and impact. It is my privilege to share this special moment with you. Congratulations again, class of 2025. The world is waiting for you. Here's to your future. Thank you.